In this video, we will talk about paying taxes on royalties, winnings such as lotto, and tax-free incomes in Norway. I want to say that these types of incomes are a little tricky and have a lot of nuances for understanding. In this video, I cover few important aspects, which is how much taxes we are paying and in what cases. Let's start with royalties, interests, and leasing payments. Royalties are payments made to an owner for the use of their property or assets, such as patents, copyrights, or trademarks. In Norway, royalties are subject to a withholding 15% taxes. The taxes are usually deducted by payer and they are paid to Norwegian Tax Administration Office. So if you want that are paying royalty, then you will have to file application to the Tax Administration Office electronically. The recipient of the royalties must report the income in the tax return report. If you're getting paid, then don't forget to report and pay taxes accordingly. In Norway, lottery winnings are considered tax-free income, as long as they qualified as random. What does it mean? The winnings are tax-free when they're paid out to you, but as soon as the money hits your bank account, you will have to pay the wealth tax. First of all, if your total wealth with this money is more than 1,700,000 Norwegian kroners, you will need to pay 1% of total wealth and plus taxes on the interest that you gather from the bank. The recipient of the winnings also must report the income on their tax return report. So the winnings over €1,000 that are taxable are the one that not considered as random. For example, you are gambling as a pro, you take part in some competitions, or also can be winnings from lottos in other country. Here I want to note that if you win a few times a year, less than €1,000, that is not taxable income. But if amount is more than €1,000 from these above activities, you're paying taxes on the whole sum. So it's something to think about when you make a living by gambling or taking part in competitions. Also in Norway, some types of incomes are tax-free. This as rule including the child support that you get from the state every month, certain types of scholarships, social security benefits like social help. Here in the end, I want to remind you one important thing that not everyone remembers. If you receive tax-free income, it's not going into your tax return report as a part of your official income. If for you it's important to show your earnings to the state, for example, if you apply for permanent residency or citizenship, then I advise you to report everything on maximum. Also, if you need to apply for a loan in the bank, because banks are usually giving maximum 5 yearly incomes you can take as a loan in your bank. Also, if you will apply for permanent residency or citizenship, look that the year before that you hit the mark of 296,000 kroner. Here, only taxed income can be a base for your yearly income. And for example, tax-free benefits such as child support is not part of your income in your tax return. Just be aware of it. Also, the social help, it doesn't count as your official income. If you're looking to reduce taxes or some payments, like maybe payments for kindergartens or AKS after-school activities that are based on your yearly total income. Also, it applies for alimony. So if you're a single parent and you receive bidragsforskudd or alimony from NAV for some of your kids, this is usually an income-based feature. And the less official income you have, the more money you will receive from state. And the less money you need to pay for childcare and school accordingly. If it's your case, then it's best to not over-report something that is not essential and can be written as a hobby or present, for example.